Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Chunovek, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So guys, in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how I got these beautiful coils. Okay, we're going to be using flaxseed for this. It's a 7 days challenge, and guys, I'm going to show you guys how flaxseed improved my hair in volume and in length. Okay, if this is what you're interested in, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. My video is all about DIY for hair growth, motherhood and vlog. If this is what you're interested in, please stay tuned. So guys, let's get this video started. So guys, this is my flaxseed. Okay, flaxseed helps your hair to grow faster and longer by providing nourishment to your hair follicles. Flaxseed is enriched with vitamin B, vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acid. So guys, we are starting off with 3 cups of water, and I'm going to be adding 8 tablespoons of flaxseed because I'm doing a big batch, so I need a lot of flaxseed because I don't want my flaxseed to be watery. I needed it to be thick. So I'm just going to stir this and cover it and leave it to boil for 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes is enough for your flaxseed to get ready. So after the flaxseed is ready, I'm going to allow this to cool a bit. Then we will strain this out. After straining it, please don't throw away your flaxseed because you can use that as a hair mask because there's still more nutrient in your flaxseed. So after we do this, I will separate this in 7 different containers because we are using each one for 1 day, 2 days, you understand? So that's what I'm going to be doing, just to separate it to know the amount of flaxseed I have. So this is what we have here. This is what we're going to be working with. So let's get this process started. Okay, so guys, this is day 1. This is how my hair looks like. My hair looks really good with all the goodies I'll be doing on my hair. Please check out my channel for the DIYs I'll be doing on my hair. So we're starting off with some clove water and what they call it, clove water. I'm going to be bringing out this video very soon, so I'm going to detangle my hair. Okay, I'm using the clove water to detangle my hair, and after that I will be applying the flaxseed gel on my hair. This is how gooey it looks like. I'll just put it in my face anyhow. So I'm going to start up by doing that, like massaging that into my scalp, and this is the same process I'm going to be doing every day for the next 7 days. I will use my hand to finger detangle, then I will comb it, then I will plait it and leave this to set on my hair for 2 hours. After 2 hours, I will rinse it out. I am not going to be using shampoo. I'm not going to be using conditioner. I'm just going to be doing this for the next 7 days. My hair felt really amazing. It felt really soft. It felt really fuller. It felt really like the coils were popping left, right and center. Okay, so flaxseed is really amazing for your hair. I advise you jump into this and try flaxseed. I'm going to wear this on my hair. Okay, be right back. So guys, my daughter woke up and when I was doing this challenge, so I'm going to leave my hair to set for 2 hours. After this, I've washed it. After 2 hours, I've washed my hair, and I'll leave it to air dry. So this is day 2. I did not film day 2, and this is day 3. I'm also going to be showing you guys the clips of my fallouts in each of the days, so you guys will see that this is really amazing. Like till day 7, my fallouts kept on reducing. Okay, this is day 3 after I finished detangling my hair and all that. I'm going to also put a clip of the fallout that I had, which was in an okay size, but the day 7 was where I got shocked. This is me in day 4. I did not do any video. I only video after I have washed it. This is my hair, how my hair felt like after I've washed it. And this is day 5 after I have rinsed it out of my hair, and I was seeing some coils. Like, I just rinsed it out and my hair was just coiling like this. But if my hair air dry, you know, it will shrink and to go back to its normal size. Yes, so I'm just so happy that my hair was coiling, like the coil was just popping. So this is me in day 6. Okay, I'm also doing the same routine I did in day 1. Use my clove to detangle my hair, then apply the flaxseed on my hair, because you need to use water to, you know, hydrate your hair before you apply this on your hair. Okay, it's much easier for the flax to penetrate in your hair follicles, guys. Yes, so guys, this challenge was really amazing. Like, I was so amazed by my results. Okay, I'm also going to be putting a clip of my length check. I think I did a length check. I'm going to put a clip of it somewhere so you guys should see. And I'm just showing you guys my face because sometimes I apply this flaxseed on my face and my face really felt smooth. So this is me in day 7 doing same thing. It was not easy, like so I was just detangling my hair, putting water, spraying on it. And if you don't have the clove water, you can use normal water to just, you know, hydrate your hair first. So it's much easier for the flaxseed to get into your hair strand. Okay, so I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy the music, and I'll let you guys know at the end of this video my final thoughts. How flaxseed improved my hair in volume, how flaxseed improved my hair in length, how flaxseed reduced like really reduce my hair fallout. All right, so keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Here I'll show you guys how to do a wash and go on my hair. I was just shaking my hair anyhow. My daughter was there. I was trying to make her laugh as well. All right, so see you guys later. Bye bye. So guys, this is the end of this challenge. It's not easy doing same thing, repeating same thing every day. Yeah, so my intake in this is that my hair feels really full, to be honest, like really full. What do you guys think? In the comment section, let me know. And if you've not tried flaxseed before, kindly try flaxseed on your hair. It's really good for your hair and for your scalp. Yeah. And it's also good for a wash and go. Yeah. If you've watched the end and you saw those coils, they were popping. Because those coils were popping, right? Yeah. Flaxseed is really awesome for the hair. And I think I'm going to share this cream so you guys can check if my hair did it grow, did not grow, I don't know. So I'm just going to share this cream so you guys can check here. Did it grow? Let me know in the comment section. Alright, so if you are new here and you've watched to the end, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So guys, this is the end of this challenge. I'm super excited that the challenge has come to an end because it's not easy doing something every day. And I'll see you all in my next challenge. Don't forget to be awesome and stay safe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye for now. Bye guys.